toys at home?
It's a doll.
Yes. What kind of toy do you have at home?
It's the
Y-
teddy bear.
Teddy bear, like this one? You
Yes,
have like this? Wow. What is the color of your teddy bear?
brown.
Brown also. Okay. So let
And yellow.
Wow, you have a lot of teddy bear. Okay. So can you sing? Let's sing together.
The tall toy. Teddy bear. Teddy
Okay, let's sing together. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear,
turn on the gun.
touch the ground. Okay, next. Teddy,
Teddy bear. Show on the
show your shoe.
also.
Teddy,
Teddy bear.
teddy bear, that will do. Very good. You have an amazing voice. Okay, very good. I will put another star in your board. Okay, it's a rainbow. Can you see it?
And rainbow.
Okay, and I will give you another one. It's an, what do you call this one?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What is your favorite flavor of the ice cream?
And ice cream.
Okay, it's an ice cream. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, let's learn some words. Okay,
Okay.
are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, what do you see in the picture?
Toy.
It's a toy. Very good. Wow, it's a toy. And what is the color of the box?
It's brown.
It's
Brown.
okay. It is color. Can you say it?
It's
Color
yellow.
yellow. Very good. That's good. Okay, can you say it? Toy.
Toy.
Say it again. Toy,
Toy.
toy, toy. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Let's proceed to our lesson. Okay, what do you see in the picture? There's a lot of
Toy.
things. Okay, toys. Okay, what else? What do you call this one? What do you call this one? It's a
It's a sun.
it's a sun. Very good. How about this one?
A
The
clock.
circle. A clock. Yes, that's good. How about this one, the green one?
A sheep.
A tree. How many trees? I think it's
1, 2, 3, 4.
three. Wow, okay. So many trees. How about this one? What do you call this one?
Sofa.
It's a sofa. Wow. You know everything. Okay, how about this one? It's the one you use when you sleep. What do you call this one?
Dog.
P
Dog.
pillow. Okay, and what is the color of the pillow?
Apple.
Very good. It's a purple. Wow. Okay, you have another superstar in your board. Okay. Okay, let's read this one. There is a
Uh,
toy. Can you see it?
they
There.
eat a toy.
Very good. Okay, one more time. There is
A
a
toy.
toy. Okay, very
A
good. Yeah.
toy.
Okay, very good, Hannah. Okay, and how many toy?
One toy.
Only one. Okay, very good. So there is a toy, and it is only
One.
one toy. Okay, okay, next. Okay, how about this one? Can you read?
Many.
Many. Very good. Okay. How many toys? We
Many.
cannot count. It's many toys. Okay. What is your favorite toy in the picture? What?
Dog. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Yes. What else?
So it's a it's a cow. Okay.
It's a cat. Yes. Okay.
One, two,
Okay. One, two. What else?
11.
11. Okay. So we say it's many toys. More than one. It's
Toy.
many. Okay. Many toys. Can you say it?
Many toys.
Many. Okay, that's good. Very good, Hannah. Okay, now, how about this one? There are many toys. Can you see it?
Many toys.
Very good. Another one. There are
Are
many
many
toys. Very good, Hannah. Another superstar. Okay. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay, are you ready? Activity time? Are you okay? I think you're not feeling well. Get well. Tell me if you're ready. Okay, are you okay now? Hannah?
yes.
Yes, okay. I hope you feel well now later. Okay, so we're going to circle the correct picture. What is the one in the middle? It's a question mark and we're looking for a,
Toy.
can you read? A toy. We're looking for a toy. Is it letter A or is it letter B? Wow, that's correct. Very good. Hannah, another superstar. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, ready? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next. How about this one? Circle the correct picture. We're looking for the word many.
Many.
Which one shows many? Very good. Another fantastic work. Okay. So that's good. It's many toys and the other one is only one
One.
toy. Okay. Okay, ready? Yes, it's X because okay, that's good, Hannah. Very good. Okay, let's read. Read and talk.
Top.
Can we do it? Let's read and
Yes.
talk.
Big
Okay?
on top.
Okay, very good, Hannah. Okay, what do you see in the picture? There's what do you call this one? What is this? I cannot hear you.
You have
It is, what do you have? Okay. I have.
many toys.
Very good, Hannah. Okay, what do you have? You said I have many toys. Okay. So, the boy holding many toys. Okay,
Many.
next. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this one?
What do
Okay,
you
can you read?
have?
What do you have? I have
Do you have? Had many robots.
many robots. Okay, let's count the robots. One. Can we count? One, two. Can you count? Three, four. Say it. Five,
And robots.
Eh, how many?
7
How?
robots.
Okay, 10 robots. Is it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Very good, Hannah. Okay, next. Okay, so I have many robots. Can you see it?
Many
I
robots.
Are you sleeping now? Okay, next. Okay, let's proceed.
I had many planes.
Very good. I have many planes. How many planes? Let's count. One.
It's a four,
Okay, I'll wait for you. How many?
four planes.
One. Four planes. Very good, Hannah. Okay. You're so amazing. Okay, how many? Okay, how about this one?
What
What do
do
you
you
have?
have? I had many
Okay.
dolls.
Dolls. Okay. Do you have dolls at home? Do you
No.
have?
Yes.
No? Ah, yes. Okay. Okay. How many dolls? Let us count.
Hold on.
Okay, four dolls. Very good. I have. Can you
Hold
say it?
on. I have many
Me. I have many dolls. I have four dolls.
dolls.
Very good, Hannah. Excellent. You're so brave. Okay.
What in the boat?
Next. Okay. It's on. Okay. Next. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's play some games. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Okay, we're looking for again. What are we looking for? Can you draw a line to connect the picture? Oh, it says draw a line. Can you draw
Yes.
from here to here? Okay, a line, not a circle. Can you try it?
Yes.
Okay, it should be like this. Okay, can you do it? Okay, it's a toy and connect it to. Okay. Okay, that's X and that's X. And this is the correct answer. What do you see this one? What do you call this one? It's
Boy.
a boy. And how about the one in the middle?
Flower.
Flower base. Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, how about this one? Draw a line. Okay, let us read first the word. It's, can you see it? Many.
Many.
Say it again. Okay, very good. Many. Okay. Can you draw a line? That's good. Okay. How about this one in the middle? It's a
Girl.
girl. It's okay. And then the last
Boy.
one is a toy. And the answer is the
Many.
first one. Many. Very good, Hannah. You did a great job today. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the words. Can you do it?
They are
There are many. Very good. Many toys. Okay, I will give you
toy.
a donut. Do you like donut? What
It's
flavor? What flavor do you like?
not
It's a strawberry. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed. So again, let us read. There are many toys. Okay. There are, can you see it?
that
There are
any
many
toy.
to- toys. Very good. Okay. Again, let us read. There are many toys. Okay, say it again one more time.
Many toy.
Okay, very good, Hannah. Okay, next, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, let's role play. I will, you are
And many
Sam.
bubbles.
Okay, Let us read. Sam, what do you have? Oh, let's change the name. Hannah, what do you have?
Batman robot.
Very good. Can you say it? I have,
I have
I have
many
many robots. Okay.
robots.
Very good. Okay. Okay, ready? Are you okay? Mhm. Is that your mom?
What do you have?
Okay, Timmy, what do you have? Okay. Oh, what do you think? I have
Toy.
very good. I have many toys. Oh, can you write it down? Many toys.
Many toy.
Okay, can you write it?
Many toy.
Okay, okay. So many,
Many
many toys. Oh, say it again. I have many toys. Okay. Are you okay? Okay, I will give you an apple. Is this your favorite fruit?
apple.
Yes, apple. Okay. Okay, next, let's proceed to our lesson. So I can do it. Can you do it? Okay, let us read the words. What are the words?
Toy.
Okay, can you read? Toy. Toy is the one that you use when you play, right?
You have. I have many toys.
Toys. Very good. So this one naman is many. Okay, what do you have? And I have many. Can you see it? Many
Many
toys. Okay, what did you learn for today? Did you learn a lot?
yes,
What have you? Yes. What are the things that you learned today? The word what?
what is door?
Toy. Very good. What else? Many. And
And Lego.
Lego. There's a lot of toys, right? Okay, we learn about toy and using the word many. If it is more than one, you can use what? I cannot hear you. Okay.
Robot.
Okay, robot. What else? Robot and toys. Different kind of toys. Dolls. What else? In the picture.
Biết rồi, cái điều khiển đâu.
Đầu tư trực tiếp nước ngoài FDI vào Việt Nam và hỗ trợ các dự
Okay.
án triển trong nước và mở rộng toàn cầu. Tổng đốc tập đoàn nhà nước
Okay, you learn a lot, right? About toys, dolls, what else?
The doll. The teddy bear. The
Yes, very good. The teddy bear.
the Lego.
Lego, very good. Okay. Okay, again, let's read. Toy.
Toy.
Say it again. Okay. Many.
Many.
What do you have?
What
It's a
do you
question.
have?
I have many toys. Okay. Okay, so today we learn about the word toy, many, and the sentence says, what do you have? And I have many toys. Okay, I hope you learned a lot today. I will show you your board. This is your reward board. You have a lot. You're so amazing and you are
Very good.
very good. Okay, let's count your stars. Okay, I will put it here. One, 2, 3, and 4. And then you have a lot of fantastic word. Okay? You like it?
For donut and ice cream.
Donut and ice cream. I have a lot also. Okay, I will give you again next time. Okay. I hope you learned something today. Again, my name is Teacher Eileen. Very good. Thank you, Hannah, for today. I hope we see each other today. Get well.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.